Natural Zepbound recipe for weight loss. Legit or scam? I'm going to tell you if the natural Zepbound recipe for weight loss is legit or a scam. The natural Zepbound recipe claims to be a homemade alternative to the prescription weight loss medication Zepbound, using natural ingredients to mimic its effects. But here's the problem. There's no scientific evidence that any DIY recipe can replicate Zepbound's proven results. Creating weight loss solutions at home can be risky, especially without proper medical guidance. Unlike prescription medications, homemade recipes aren't regulated, so you can't be sure of their safety or effectiveness. So is it legit? Not really. While it's tempting to look for natural alternatives, this recipe lacks the research and safety standards to be considered a reliable option.